drawing?
My face.
A smiley face? Okay. Thank you.
And then another one.
You want to do another one?
Yes.
What color? Brown? Do you want to, you can erase it if you want.
No, I can't.
Watch. We can, well. You need some help?
Let mommy help you, little one.
Sorry.
It is hard. There you go.
I'm a wife G for Georgia.
You want to do G for Georgia?
No, me G for Daddy.
Oh. D is for Daddy.
Right. I wife for D, Daddy.
Whoa.
I wife for D. Just Daddy.
Very good, Georgia.
And do Georgia's name.
You want to do Georgia's name? Wow.
Oh, stop.
Okay. Oh, don't get on the wood.
It's okay.
Just be careful. Just on the white. We color only on the white.
Here?
Yeah, just, here, use the paper towel and it'll wipe off. Very good. Okay, let me hold this while you wipe.
Good job, Georgia.
Very good.
Daddy is my big one.
Yes.
You need Daddy to get that part?
Yes.
Oh,
Here, Daddy will get it for you.
I'll do the chalks.
you want to do the chalk side?
Yes. Do this. This. Do this, Daddy. Normal.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that was. Okay, we're gonna clean it off.
Do this side.
That's where the tape was.